Hello friends, I am Yagnesh Makwana from Department of Electronics and Communication, Atmi University. The web course being offered by Department of Electronics and Communication is Introduction to Robotics. This course will be held at Center of Excellence in Embedded System and Robotics, which was established at Atmi University in association with eYantra IIT Bombay. And the robots that you have seen in this first slide, these robots are the part of this Center of Excellence. There are multiple copies of this robot in the Center of Excellence that we are going to use throughout the course. Okay, now why robotics? Why you should join this course? You can observe that most of the product that we are using in our day-to-day life, these products are manufactured in industries through the automatic process. And who is going to carry out this process? Simply the robots. You will find the application of robots in almost every field, whether it is medical field, space field, or automobile field, or any another field. In this course, we are going to cover how to program the robots to perform the various tasks, and with the programming, few skills will be developed within you. And these are the list of few skills: creative thinking, hands-on learning activities, problem-solving skill, coding, quick decision-making, and teamwork. These are some tasks which is to be performed during the course. The first task is understanding the Firebird 5 robots, which is manufactured by the Next Robotics company. We are going to study the architecture of the robot as well as various types of the sensors which are associated with the robot. The second task is related to the buzzer. Buzzer is indication of starting of some process or ending of some process. For example, we are having fridge at our home, and if the door of the fridge will remain open for certain time duration, one buzzer will ring and it indicates that the door of the fridge is open, you close that door. Similar to that, another example is washing machine. When we have set timer in the washing machine to complete some task, then after that timer expires, then one buzzer will ring and it indicates that the task is completed. So we will write the program to turn on and turn off this buzzer for some specific amount of time. The another task is related to the LED bar graph. We will form the various types of the pattern on the LED bar graph which is interface with this robot, and this patterns can be useful to display something, to advertise some of the product. So we can do it by using this robot. Another task is related to the operating of this robot in different motions and different velocities. This is particularly useful when we are using robot in cargos and warehouses, where we need to move the object from one place to another place with the different motions and velocity. The next task is related to the displaying your name in one of the display device which is known as LCD display. So you can display your name. We will write one program which will display your name on this LED. You can also display some another information for the advertising purpose. The another task is related to the running of robot in square and rectangular motion. Again, this is very useful when you want to move the object from one place to another place. There is one another advantage if you join this course, and it is about the future. If your programming skill becomes very good, then you will get the chance to participate in national level events. These events are organized by the eYantra IIT Bombay. There are two events. One is the eYantra Idea competition and second one is eYantra Robotics competition. So this way you can get the national level recognition through this course. You can see the details related to the course on the display. If you are having any question related to the course, you can contact me either through the email or you can call me. Thank you for listening. Goodbye to all of you.